Good evening everyone, my name is Akani and this is my friend Vivikali. We are from Tetso College, Nagaland, and we are here on a 4 weeks training on IoT in Naili, Chandigarh. We are very grateful to the institute for giving us this opportunity to learn from such a renowned institute. We have learned a lot during these 4 weeks of training. At first we started off with Tinkercad and then we did it practically on the hardware. We started off with interfacing with LED, LCD, ultrasonic sensor and custom keypad, etc. The rest will be explained by my friend.
Now we will be demonstrating how this Wi-Fi home automation works. With this, you can control your appliances at home. This is the block diagram of our project. We have a 220 volt power supply which is converted to 5 volt DC and is given to the Arduino. The Arduino has a Wi-Fi module known as Node MCU and a relay module. So all these components are packed inside this box. Now when we press the button 3, the LED will turn on, and when we press the button 4, the LED will turn off. You can connect your devices in this. You can connect your devices here and control it. Lastly, we would like to extend our appreciation and gratitude to Sir Sarvan and Sir Prakash for their hard work and patience and for effortlessly teaching us in a short span of time. We have learned a lot from this 4 weeks training and we are confident that we will continue to flourish in the field of IoT. Thank you.